हाइपर मार्केट ग्लोबल मॉल।
चलो
मैं मेन गेट पे खड़ा हुआ हूँ बैठने के बाद।
Why are we going back down?
हेलो, हाँ अभी हम लोग लुलु सुपर मार्केट के पास सामने हैं बिल्कुल। अभी जा रहे हैं नीचे। स्ट्रेट डाउन।
Nasim, Jonas, Clay.
If I want to tell you to stop. What is it? Put your hand like this. Okay. देखो तो दिखना नहीं है। Health and safety warning written follow all order instructions with the health certificate by stop doing this component.
ढूंढने गया है।
चारों को मैंने भेज दिया कार्ड लेके जाओ।
हाँ तेरे का। Which one you want? Pink one ना? हाँ, go for it, call it.
I think one get it, one get it, one get it. I told you one get it.
Go college!
अरे पिंक निकालना, हेलो।
अरे कम ना, एक टेडी भी आता है। हाँ ट्राई ट्राई। नेवर माइंड नेवर माइंड नेवर माइंड नेवर माइंड। अरे चल। गो ताहिर।
मैंने किड्स को 7,000 डाल के दे दिया। किधर गए ब्रो? ये हम लोग ही खाली कर देंगे। 4 निकाला इधर।
Jonas, you sure you want to do this? Go Jonas. Junior? Junior? Whoa.
Hey Junior.
टॉय जमा, हाँ टॉय जमा करो इधर टॉय।
Go 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 go. Go Junior, Junior, Junior.
Yes.
Junior, 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 Junior. Go go go. Little bit left, little bit left. Junior. You're almost there. Almost there. You press it? Yes, 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 you press it.
You want to go again?
Four, 5, 6, 7, 8.
हाँ बैठो बैठो।
I wanted to scream when I was
Yeah. Like I was about to scream, but no.
I was like,
You're lucky to go to the other place.
shut up.
It was at the top, at the roof, you know.
Bro, we were on the roof and we were just we were going all over the place.
My mom was
lining? Yes.
my mom was about to, jump, like scream. Like she was scared.
It felt like I was.
Jonas, how many ride you do?
I did. Oh, we did. Wait, did we do dynamites?
No, we
I
did not. I did
I did-
dynamite.
I did-
dynamite.
I
Was
did-
it fun?
I did 4 zero gravity.
I felt something.
2 alone I did, and 2 I did with family. So that's 4 zero gravities. There's what else did I do?
Doing a lot. You're lucky.
You know what do you do? Zip line.
No, I
That's it.
didn't.
I
didn't
went
do
to the
zip
trampoline
line.
park with Romehan. We were playing dodgeball.
No.
We did the climbing
zip
thing.
line. He do it.
The climbing thing.
The
I
one
did-
you
I did dynamite.
do dynamite, right?
Oh, we both did dynamite.
Then I did what about the climbing
Dashing
thingy?
car.
The climbing thing I did that.
Yeah, I did that.
I did that twice. So
I
that's
did a claw
14.
machine.
I'm at 15 so far.
I think that's it.